Sino sa inyo yung mahilig sa Indian food? Yan ang itatry natin today. Tapos tingnan nyo tong isang malaking roasted lamb. The thing that has always amazed me about Indian food is the marriage of different spices. Tapos it's very vibrant and has different textures. Kaya para sa akin, hindi rin nakakasawang i-explore yung Indian cuisine. At itong pupuntahan natin today ay na-feature na natin a long time ago pero na-miss lang namin so i-visit natin ulit. Madali lang yung puntahan. Kung galing ka sa intersection ng San Fernando, dire-diretso papunta bayan. Turn right sa bandang SM San Fernando downtown hanggang sa abutan mo itong PLDT and Smart tapos turn left at makikita mo itong Royal Place Indian Restaurant katabi ng SL Supermarket. Or nasa Google Maps din sila. At nung nagpunta kami, may mga families and groups kaming inabutan dito. And ang sabi ng staff, dumadami na rin daw talaga yung mga Pilipino na kumakain ng Indian food. Meron din ditong mga groceries kung mahilig ka magluto ng Indian food tulad ng mga tea, spices, basmati rice. At pwede ka rin dito makabili ng mutton. Ito yung mga order natin tapos nag-inquire ako sa description ng bawat dish at kung ano yung kapares nilang sauces. So eto na at isa-isa natin yung titikman. Ready na ba kayo? Una-una syempre yung pani puri. It came with 2 sauces. Yung isa has a sweetness to it at yung isa naman has a very light spice level. It was super fresh and light. Na-enjoy ko talaga to. Up next, meron tayong cheese garlic naan na isinabay natin sa mutton masala at chicken tikka masala. And I mean, dunking that chewy flatbread in these saucy goodness. Unbeatable combo talaga yan as always. And then, meron tayo nitong non-vegetable platter. It has 5 different items. Etong nauna na kulay green is actually my favorite out of the platter. It's slightly smoky and yung spices niya is something that's familiar to our Filipino palate. This next one, chicken din yan and then medyo smoky rin pero iba yung spices na ginamit. You can really taste yung garam masala, turmeric, and cumin. And then eto naman yung fish, sinabay rin natin sa flatbread with a little bit of those vegetables and a squeeze of lemon. It was super delicate but tasty. Tapos eto naman is a chicken kebab. And then yung isa na medyo reddish yung color is mutton sheikh kebab, although that one is a little salty for me. At syempre, hindi mawawala yung biryani. This is mutton biryani na sasabayan natin ng kanilang yogurt sauce. Malambot yung meat, hindi siya maanggo, and well-balanced yung spices. And since nagustuhan ko nga itong chicken hariyali tikka from the platter, kumuha na rin ako ng solo order niya para matikman din nila mama. Ang sarap niya with the onions at pwede mo rin isabay dun sa biryani. Mag-refresh muna tayo ng palate with this mango lassi at isusunod natin itong isang roasted lamb. Sobrang init yan nung sinerve ha. Perfect siya with a squeeze of lemon. And I'm not sure if it's traditionally served with tamarind chutney pero nilagyan ko siya noon and I enjoyed them together. Meron din tayong dalawang klase ng samosa. Yung isa ay vegetable at yung isa ay chicken. Ito yung madalas talaga nilalagyan ng tamarind chutney. And I really like that the dough is kind of flaky and crisp. And then eto naman yung sweet lassi na actually meron ding touch of asim kilig. We also tried their version of hummus. And then etong mix of vegetables and lentils served with masala dosa, which is like a crepe with potatoes, onions, and spices tapos may kapares na coconut sauce. And to end the meal, meron tayong masala tea that's really good. Pwede kayong bumili nito sa kanila para makagawa rin kayo sa bahay. So sa lahat ng mahilig sa Indian food or nagbabalak pa lang mag-explore, solid option itong Royal Place Indian Restaurant na merong branch sa bayan ng San Fernando or sa may TL Plaza sa Pulong Bulu, Angeles City.